boys and girls. I'm so glad that you've joined us for some fun in the kitchen. And I have some special helpers today. I have Isaiah and Pei-Ying and Sophia and Carter. And guess what? Today we're going to be making banana nut muffins.
I know, banana nut muffins.
Yes, who likes banana nut muffins?
Me!
Oh, good thing, huh? Boys and girls, if you like banana nut muffins, you know what? You can get your mommies or daddies or an adult to help you. And if you go to our Tiny Tot website, you'll find the recipe there, okay? And we'll show you how they're made. Okay, boys and girls, I think to start, let's start with bananas, okay? So I want you to each put 3 bananas in or 2 bananas in your bowl. I'll give you each 2 bananas.
Cinda,
but
I like eating bananas.
You like eating bananas?
Cinda, I like eating bananas.
Oh, and you know what? We're going to do 3 bananas in each bowl. So there's another one for you. And because the recipe calls for 6 bananas, so, these are going to be yummy with all these bananas in them. Good job.
Here?
Yes. And then
More.
here's one more for you. Here, Carter, here's another one. And then I want you to start mashing your bananas. Can you get your mashers? And then mash up your bananas. Here, Pei-Ying, I'll help you.
So you need one more.
Who's got, you
I
have,
can do mine.
okay. There you go, okay.
No, just on
How about if let's get the peeling out, and Miss Cinda will throw all these peelings away, okay?
She needs one more banana.
All right, I'll get her. Thank you, Isaiah.
Where's
Okay,
the other one?
there. Now you have 3 in there.
Oh.
1, 2, 3, yeah. I have to get Sophia another one. So boys and girls, you're gonna need 6 bananas total in your recipe. So that's why I divided 3 each. Oh, big muscles, guys, mash them good, big muscles. Oh, you're doing awesome. You have big muscles.
I'm getting big muscles.
Oh, good. Very good, Carter and Isaiah. Oh, want me to help you, Sophia?
Yeah.
Okay, you ready? Here, put your hands up here and I'll help you. Oh, let's go.
Look what I'm doing.
Good job.
Mash them all up.
Good job.
It's like I'm stepping on a million people. Miss Cinda, look, I'm doing.
You're doing good too. Okay, boys, if you have your bananas all mashed, then mix your bananas. Well, let me get Pei-Ying's, but Carter, you can put your bananas in here now with Sophia's, because we'll mix the flour and stuff in here, okay? So go ahead and mix yours in. Let me help you, Pei-Ying. Okay, ready? Ready? Let's do it. Oh!
Cinda, look, we made a waterfall.
Oh, yay!
It's a banana smashed banana waterfall.
It's a smashed banana waterfall? That sounds like a delicious waterfall. Whoa!
I'm falling down.
Oh, goodness. Just like the banana waterfall, huh? Okay. Isaiah, that's really good.
Cinda, look,
Yes, yours is done. And
look
now
at our bowl.
wait, hold your bowl, because we're going to have Isaiah's going to dump his in.
I already
Okay?
dumped ours in.
All right, dump yours in, Isaiah.
Here, Cinda.
Thank you. Whoa. Here, I got part of your banana on me. Whoa. Okay,
There
I'll
was
get.
bananas on my finger and I licked them off. It was delicious.
Okay, now you're going to add 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 1 cup of wheat flour. So, Carter, you put in 1 cup of that flour. You put in 1 of the wheat flour. And girls, you can put in, wait. Let me look we have to follow a recipe, boys and girls. That's really important. So let Miss Cinda look at the recipe. We're gonna need a 1/2 cup of sugar. So find your 1/2 cup. You want a full cup, you want a full cup, okay?
1/2 cup?
nope, you want a half a cup. See, it's got a 1 and a 2. So, you put a half a cup of sugar. And
Cinda, look what I'm gonna do.
good job, Carter. That's awesome. You can put that in, and now I'm going to switch bowls. Now you put in the white flour. You put that in, and now put in 1 of wheat.
Which one?
You're going to put in a half a cup of the sugar. So make sure it's...
2 or 3?
No, just 1, okay? So get a full one. And Sophia, you're going to put in a half a cup of sugar too, okay? Good job. Oh, make sure it's full. Boys and girls, when you're measuring, make sure you measure so you get it full. Just a minute, Sophia. We got to get it full. Here, I'll put some more in for you. Let's get it even because otherwise your recipe won't turn out good. There you go. Okay, you can dump that in now. How are you doing, Pei-Ying? You want me to help you like I did for Sophia? There you go. Get it. Let's get it even.
I can do it.
Okay.
Cinda, in this bowl?
Yes. Okay, you guys got both your flours in?
Yeah.
Okay, now you're going to need your flaxseed, and that's already measured. So that's a tablespoon of flaxseed. And this is your spices. Sophia, you want to put the spices in? Here's your spice. So we have spices, and we have baking soda and baking powder. You can put all of it in because we've already measured that for you. Okay? Did you put your sugar in yet, Pei-Ying? No. Okay.
I don't do.
Oh, okay. Good job. Okay, let's dump it in this bowl. Good job. Okay. Now, you can put, you want to stir it up, Isaiah? Put your spices in. And get your spoons and stir it up with your spoons, guys. You can dump it right in there because Miss Cinda's already measured that for you. Okay? Good job, guys. Oh, I love being in the kitchen, don't you?
Yeah.
Oh, it's so fun.
I like it.
Cinda, look, it's like stuff sticking like a magnet.
Yes.
Miss Cinda, I like it in my mom and dad's kitchen because it's so fun.
It is, isn't it? Okay, now, boys, you can dump in the nuts, and girls, you can dump in the vanilla.
Vanilla.
Do you dump in all of it?
You can put it all in, Sophia. You want to put the vanilla in? Here, I'll hold your spoon for you. How about that? You got it?
I already put the vanilla in.
Oh, good job. Okay, now stir it up again. Oh, you're going to have big muscles to stir it up. Oh, Miss Cinda will clear this because we're going to put them in muffin tins. That sound fun?
Yeah.
Okay.
That sounds fun and yummy.
But we have to make sure they're really stirred up good. You don't want all see that dry ingredients, the powder-like stuff? You want to make sure that you get all the wet ingredients in there mixed up. How are you guys doing? Oh, you almost got it, Snow. Remember that when you're stirring, scrape in the bottom, get in the bottom.
What about us?
You're doing good too. But scrape in the bottom. Good, Isaiah. Very good. Are you scraping in the bottom, Sophia?
Yeah, we are.
I see a little bit more powder.
Look.
Good job. You almost got your flour in your wet ingredients. How about you? Want me to check it for you? Okay, let's check. See, when you turn it over like this, look, guys. When you turn it over, see all this powder? You want to get all that, see all that powder? And when I go at the bottom, you don't want that powder in there. So you want that to be all mixed up with your wet ingredients. So remember, boys and girls, when you're stirring, to stir the bottom really good so you get all those dry ingredients mixed up.
And we can cut something?
We're gonna, you guys just 1 minute, Pei-Ying, and I'll be right there, okay? Let me get theirs for them. Keep stirring, scrape the bottom. Can you get all the way to the bottom and all the way on the sides? Okay, Let me get theirs. You guys are ready now. Let me get theirs so that they can put theirs in too, and you guys can do it at the same time, okay?
Can you help me?
I will be happy to help you. Let's see. Okay, let's see how you guys did. Oh, you guys did really good too. I think you're ready. Oh, just a little bit more. See all that flour right there?
Yeah.
You gotta make sure and get that.
And there's some more powder.
Yeah, so boys and girls, make sure you get all that mixed up, okay?
And get all the powder mixed up.
That's right. Because otherwise your muffins won't turn out good, will they?
Yeah.
No.
So look what I did. I measured them out.
Ah! Okay, now you can get your...
too.
Now you know what you can do?
What?
You can get your spatula and you want to put some of this in each... I'm going to go like this. Oh, here's a towel. How about that? Okay, so Isaiah, you can work on this end and you can work on this end, Pei-Ying. Here's what you do. You're going to go like this and watch. You can take your knife and you can go like this. See? Can you guys see what I did? And you'll want to fill them half full. Okay, here, Pei-Ying. So you put some on here and then put it in there, okay? Here, Sophia, you can use your knife to scrape it off.
See, Cinda, look what I did.
Let's move this. Oh, that's our kitchen timer. We've got to hurry up. We're almost out of time. Lucky for you, guess what Miss Cinda's done? I made some muffins earlier, and so you guys are going to get to taste them.
Yeah.
Now, here, Sophia, go like this. Watch, Miss Cinda. I'll help you. Whoa, I almost dropped your knife in. So, see, I'll take some batter like this, and then you can scrape it off like that. See? See if you can do that. So that with that. And then you can drop it in right there or right there. That's good, Sophia. And now get some more because you want the muffin tins. You want to put about almost to the top, okay? Very good. Oh, very good. You can keep getting these over here. These need a little bit more batter. Okay, who wants to taste a muffin?
Me.
Oh, everybody gets to take one.
Yummy.
You want to try one? You want to take a break and try one?
I want to take the paper off.
Yeah, oh yes, don't eat the paper, boys and girls. You got to take the paper off, huh? How are they taste?
Good.
Yummy.
Oh! And boys and girls, you can make these at home. And then you can taste how yummy they are. Oh, I love banana nut muffins. Oh!
Listen, that's a kitchen timer.
That's our kitchen timer, and that says we're out of time for today. So remember, boys and girls, anytime you can be in the kitchen, it's fun.